Hi, this is Jyothika from IHM Chennai. Presently, I'm doing my second year BSc in H&HA. So today I'm gonna make Shami kebab and a white gravy with beetroot and a kulcha. So let's get into the video. So here I'm adding 1 cup of flour and 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. By mixing it, I'm making a soft dough using water. So here the dough is ready. So now we're gonna make Shahi kebab. Here I have salt, Shahi kebab powder from Karamat, maida, an egg and a boiled chicken with chana dal, and I'm putting it in a blender and mixing it. And now I'm adding it to a bowl and adding salt into it and a Shahi kebab powder. And an egg. And I'm gonna mix it nicely. Make it into a dough like mixture. Here's the mixture. So here I made the Shahi kebabs in round shapes, and now I'm going to deep fry this in a vegetable oil until it gets brown in color. So here the kebabs are ready. So now we're gonna make beetroot curry using white curry mix. In a pan, I'm going to add ghee and now I'm going to add cinnamon and a bay leaf. And now I'm going to add cinnamon and a clove. And now I'm going to add the white gravy mix from Karamat. I already dissolved it in water, and I'm going to add some more water to make the nice gravy. And now I'm going to add the green chilies. And now I already blanched the beetroot and grind it. I'm going to add that paste. And I'm going to boil it. And now I'm going to add the black pepper. So now I'm going to make the kulcha. I'm going to take the dough that we made before and roll them into a small round in shape and stuff them with boiled potatoes, a cilantro and a black pepper. I'm going to stuff them inside and roll them into a medium size round. So now I'm going to heat the pan and I'm adding ghee into it. And now I'm going to toast the kulcha till it gets golden brown on the top. Now the kulcha is ready. So here my dish is ready, which I made from Karamat.